Hey, I'm Sophie. Most roads you'll drive on in New Zealand will be sealed and have marked centrelines, but as you drive more and venture off into different parts of the country, you'll come across unsealed roads and sealed roads without centrelines. These roads are a bit trickier to drive on, so we're going to hop in the car with an experienced driver and I'll talk you through it. So this is a pretty classic unsealed New Zealand road made up of loose dirt and gravel. First off, you should drive slower on unsealed roads. Because the surface is loose, it's easier to lose control on these roads, as you don't have as much grip compared to a sealed road. Here's some tips so you can drive safely on roads like these. Try to make any movements smooth and gentle when you brake, accelerate and steer, no sudden movements. If another vehicle drives towards you, slow down and move as far to the left of the road as you can safely. Be careful not to pull over too quickly, as the gravel towards the side of the road can be deeper, making it harder for you to keep control. If you do find yourself in deeper gravel, slow right down and gently steer out. Don't jerk the steering wheel as your car could flip. If you're following another vehicle, increase your following distance, as other vehicles can throw up dust and stones. Now we're driving on a sealed country road, but there's no centreline. Here's some tips on how you can drive safely in this situation. Be aware of oncoming traffic. Roads without centrelines are often narrower and windy, making it harder to judge where to position your car. Drive at a speed suitable for the conditions. Even if the speed limit is 100, it's often not safe to drive that fast. Country roads can cause visibility problems, like bright sunlight or darker areas in valleys, so driving at a slower speed will help you react safely. Remember, on a road with no centreline, you need to be able to stop in half the distance of the road you can see in front of you, to allow time for both you and any oncoming vehicle to slow down or stop. If another car is following close behind you, if it's safe to do so, slow down and pull over as far to the left as possible to let them pass. Drive as far to the left of the road as you can safely. Keep an eye out for driveways and intersections, as they can be hard to spot. Watch out for cyclists and pedestrians, as there's often no footpaths on country roads. Keep an eye out for farm vehicles like tractors, farm machinery and quad bikes. Be considerate and ready to stop if you need to. Slow down for bridges and look out for this sign, which means it's a one-lane bridge. If you've got this sign, you can go first. If you've got this sign, you need to give way to oncoming vehicles. Those tips should help you drive safely next time you're out and about in the country. It's a good idea to watch the video again so you remember what to do, then you can start planning your road trip.